Hey guys, it's me again. I'm back with another brand new video for you guys, and today's video is definitely super duper interesting. So don't skip any part of this video. All right. By the way, guys, this is for those who was asking for translation. Yeah. Hopefully this helps. Right. Actually, I have added Russian, Germany, and Spanish now. But if you want any other language, please drop the language of yours in my comment section below. I will try my best. I promise. All right. Anyways, so let's get started. I'm so freaking excited for today's video. Guess what? We got another new picture of Faye with someone else actually. And what kind of picture is this and who is that someone? Can you guys guess? Let me tell you. So guess what? We got another Faye's new picture with a CEO. Actually, the person is actually CEO of another Thai company, another Thai agency, famous one actually. Yeah, I'm talking about Northstar's CEO. Let me show you guys the picture and the things. Here you go. Wow. Oh, right. Okay. Of course. Yes, of course. But one thing I wanna mention here is no matter what is happening in these few days, I have always been seeing Faye with someone from the industry. And it feels so good that almost everyone from the industry is kind of, supporting Faye, is having Faye's back, right? It's really good to see. I'm actually pretty much sure that Faye is actually surrounded with some warm, loving, and amazing people. It's really, really good to see you know Anyway, guys, as I was saying this, do you guys know our whole fandom is talking about whether Faye is gonna have any part in Four Elements or not? Wow, can you guys believe it? Wow, guys, I'm super duper excited about it. I mean, can you guys believe it? This is gonna be huge. Four Elements project, I mean, let me explain why people are saying is Faye going to be a part of it. First of all, maybe Faye gonna have a small part of it, like some kind of cameo and everything. Because do you guys know, Four Elements project is actually a, what should I say, group project of the Idol Factory and the North Star. The CEO, just I have showed you guys the picture. Yeah, yeah. Now things are getting more interesting, isn't it? Wow. What if this is really true? What if I actually gonna have a small part or some kind of cameo in Four Elements? Wow. I just can't wait anymore. Let's see. Let's see. I'm hoping for the best. But what's your opinion about it? What's your thought on it, guys? Do you guys really think Fire gonna have a part in Four Elements? I mean, the way Fire knows everyone and everyone absolutely loves Fire, as we are seeing this in the past couple of days. I really, really feel like there is some strong possibility there. There is definitely a huge chance that we are gonna get Faye in Four Elements project somehow. Yeah, this maybe not be a bigger role, or she may not have some screen time, really huge screen time, but I'm hoping that she might get you know some kind of cameo or a smaller part. I mean, impactful, you know role somehow. Yeah, I'm super duper excited. So let's see. I mean, I'm still sad about the fact that we couldn't get Faye Yoko on Four Elements project. The wound is still there. It isn't even fully healed yet. But yeah, sometimes I just wonder, it could have been bigger, right? We could be much and much more bigger fandom. Yeah, I'm talking about our Faye Yoko fandom. Wow. But yeah, let's see if we are gonna get Faye or not. But one thing is for sure, as the whole industry, almost everyone from every other company and every other producer, CEO, everyone actually siding with Faye, and they are supporting with Faye, it actually speaks volume, right? It actually shows us that Faye was not the problem. Fire was not an issue. She was so unproblematic. All of the things actually was fault of Nine Star. It just clearly shows. It's clear than water. Yes. People are supporting Faye rather than, Nine Star Studios. Yes, ma'am. It's actually, as I said, it speaks volume. It clears everything. That's it. But yeah, guys, I'm super duper excited to see whether Fire gonna make it to the four elements or not. Because I was so looking forward to it. You guys know. I have been saying this again and again and again. I so wanted Fayoko in the four elements project. Since we can't get it now, please, we may get Fire on it. I would love to see Fire sharing with the screen with the other couples. Wow, it would be so awesome. It would be so freaking nice. Man, this is now making me so excited. You know, I just can't wait anymore. But see, let's see. It's just still a speculation and analyzing from our fandom. It is not confirmed yet. It's just maybe a rumor. We are talking among ourselves whether it is possible or not. But turns out it is super possible, and there is a solid chance. But let's see. Let's not get our hope much higher. But I'm crossing my fingers. That's it. I'm really hoping and praying best for it. Please make it happen. Please, someone. But yeah, let's see what's going to happen. But now I want to ask you guys this question. Do you guys wanna see Faye, you know, in four elements? I mean, it's super crystal clear that Faye, of course, can't be with Yoko. She can't be paired up with Yoko in four elements. But if she's gonna get a chance, whether a cameo or any short part, in four elements, she has to be alone. She has to act alone there. Would you guys like it? I wanna know. If you are going to ask me, I'm super duper. I will be super duper happy for Faye because she deserves the world. She deserves all the respect, all the love. The way she have been treated so badly by Nine Star. Now I want nothing but happiness for Faye and more chance to work more project, new series maybe, everything. That's it. As I said, Faye was not problematic. I mean, Yoko, of course, was not as well, but what can we say? Nine Star messed everything up. It is what it is. But yeah, I wanna know. Would you guys love it if I gonna, have a small part or a cameo in Four Elements? Let me know your thoughts, alright? Anyway, guys, so what's your thoughts on this video? Let me know in the comment section below, alright? By the way, guys, there are kids are playing outside. That's why all this noise. I'm sorry for it. Anyway, so I'll see you guys soon. Till then, take care and keep smiling, keep being kind to others and yourself as well. I'll see you guys soon, very, very soon. Keep an eye on the channel for regular update. Bye!